Hello students, welcome to Shastra classes. Today we'll learn the formulas of indices. So in indices, we'll write 2 as 2 power 1, 2 into 2 as 2 square or 2 power 2, 2 into 2 into 2 as 2 cube or 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 as 2 power 4. This is how we represent. Instead of giving the value, we'll write it as 2 power something. So in 2 power 4, 2 is equal to base, 4 is equal to power or index. So if I say a power n, then what it will be? A into a into a into so on n times, right? So this is how we'll write denote indices. And next formula in indices is a power m into a power n. It is nothing but a power m plus n. Third one, a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n equals to a power mn. A power 0 equals to 1. Anything to the power 0 equals to 1. So if I say a power minus m, it will be 1 by a power m. If I say a power m, I can write it as 1 by a power minus m. Okay. So guys, also remember, when bases are equal, powers will be equal, or when powers are equal, bases will be equal. I'll show you how. If a power x equals to a power y, then x will be y. When bases are equal, powers will be equal. Let us say x power a is equal to y power a, then x equals to y. Here, when powers are equal, bases will be equal. Okay. Here, when bases are equal, powers will be. When powers are equal, bases will be equal. So guys, also we might find some formulas root a. So how we will write root a? It is a power 1 by 2. So root a is nothing but 2. If nothing is mentioned, it is 2 only. Okay. So how do we write cube root of a? It is a power 1 by 3. Also 10th one, a power x is equal to k. Then if x goes here, a is equal to k power 1 by x. Okay. If a power minus x is equal to k, implies then a equals to k power minus 1 by x. So these are all the basic formulas of indices. Also, you need to learn some formulas in algebra. Okay, they are the following formulas: a plus b whole square. You know this very well. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 12th one, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 13th one, a plus b into a minus b, that will be a square minus b square. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 15th one, a minus b whole cube. So guys, in a minus b whole cube, you just have to substitute plus with minus in the formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Also, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 17th one, a plus b plus c whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay guys, this one you don't need to remember because they are not asking this much complicated questions. For your understanding, I am telling you, you don't need to remember these two formulas 16 and 17, but I am telling you, okay, 3a square into plus c plus 3b square into c plus a plus 3c square into a plus b plus 6ab. You don't need to remember 16 and 17 formulas, you can remember up to 15. So I hope you learned all the formulas by now. So these are the formulas which will be helpful in solving the problems of indices. In the next video, we'll see the problems of indices.